Hello class 9 students. In this session we will start unit 1 Introduction to IT and ITES industries. Now what basically IT is? IT includes all types of technology used to manage information such as computer hardware technology and various software applications used to create, store and transfer information. Application of IT in IT's industry. Today, information and communication technology is an indispensable part of the modern society. This is digital era in which we use mobile devices to perform most of our daily tasks as we see in our daily life. It is difficult to think of any routine task, any event without the use of digital devices. Let us consider a few situations. Students, suppose you are out on a family vacation and have lost your way to your hotel. What would you do? Google Maps comes to the rescue. You can launch the Google Maps app on your mobile phone and navigate easily through the unfamiliar locations. Another example we take. Suppose students you want the latest information for your project on health and nutrition. From where would you get it? In these situations, internet will help you gather the required information. So students, we can say ICT is an acronym for information and communication technology. Information technology. Information technology has changes everything over the years. Nowadays, IT refers to the use of computers and other resources to create, store, manage, and exchange all kinds of information. It is an essential and tightly integrated part of every business today. IT has multiple benefits for a business such as helps to reach more potential customers, provides better service to customers, allows customers to provide feedback to improve the business, reduces costs and improves efficiency, maximizes and minimizes waste, sustains better relations with key associations. Information technology enabled services. IT stand for information technology, E enabled as services. As the name suggests, the services enabled by the use of information technology can be termed as ITES. These services improve the efficiency of an organization and help in reducing costs. For each ITES service, there are two things involved: technology that enables the service, a communication device. The combination of the correct technology and communication channel results into a very high degrees of improvement in the service quality. In other words, we can say business services whose quality is improved by incorporating information technology in the business system are called IT enabled services. Let us discuss a few most common IT enabled services. Call center. It is a service center to provide information and support to a customer. It has trained consultants, high quality telecom facilities, access to the internet and other online information. A typical call center functions as follows. A customer uses a contact number that is connected to a customer support center. Usually, the number is a toll free number. When a call reaches the call center, a trained customer service representative answer the customer. To make sure that the highest standards of customer service are delivered, the IT experts create the technology to support the call center. With the increase in worldwide connectivity, it makes no difference whether the call center is located in the local city of the customer or anywhere else in the world. Business process outsourcing, BPO. Business process outsourcing is a practice of outsourcing a part of a business to another organization that is an expert in handling such kind of processes. BPO is often divided into two main types of services: back office and front office. Back office services include processes such as billing or purchasing. Front office services pertain to the support provided to its customers, such as marketing and technical support. Other BPO services are as follows: transactions and payment processing service, document management services, order management services, accounts management services, technical support services, telecommunication services, customer support services, healthcare services, e-publishing services. A BPO has many types of services. Business process management, BPM, is a discipline in operations management. It is used as an ongoing process that focuses on developing new processes and improving corporate performance. By managing business processes, BPM is considered the bridge between information technology and business. BPM services BPM service industry is doing outstanding well in India because of the following advantages. Finest and high quality services are delivered through the state of the art hardware and software. Government of India is also boosting the BPM industry by providing the required infrastructure and logical support. Structure of the IT BPM industry. The companies within the IT BPM industry are classified on the basis of the following parameters, means the area to which the company is serving, the type of services the company is providing, the geographical reach of the company, scope of operation and profit earned by the company. Examples are multinational companies, Indian service providers companies, global in-house centers. MNC. A multinational corporation is a corporate organization that owns or controls the production of goods or services in at least one country other than the other than its home country. They operate in multiple locations worldwide. Characteristics of MNCs are their large size, their worldwide activities are centrally controlled by the parent company. ISP, Indian Service Providers. ISP initially begins their operations in India. Most of the most of these companies have their control center in India while having workplaces at many international locations like Jio, BSNL, Airtel, Idea. These are the examples of ISP. Uh, Next is GIC, Global In-House Centers. Global in-house centers organizations work for their parent organization only, means they work for their parent organizations only and do not function for external clients. Students, we have completed this topic. In next session, we will learn different types of IT applications or applications of IT. Thank you, students.